we are going to discuss about list concept, how we are going to use the list concept in Python. So let us say what is the definition of list. List is nothing but it is going to store multiple values in a single variable. That is, in C programming it is called as an array, but in the Python programming it is going to be called as a list concept. So same concept we are going to apply in the list also. How we are going to apply the list is, so for creating the list we need to have mixed data items. So what is meant by mixed data items? The items may be of integer, string, character, decimal. So four kind of data are available. So we can keep any of these any of the data or mixture of the data. That is the main usage of list concept. That is alone as no. It is going to store many number of items. So it is in the sequence format. What is meant by sequence? That is the order. What is the order means? The first array index will start from the 0 and later next one will be the 1. Second index will be the 2. Like that going to proceed. So let us see how we are going to create an array with the example. A. So here I am going to create the variable called A equal to. So here I am going to have multiple data items in the integer type. So here I didn't mention any size, and here I didn't mention any data type also. So here I have to represent in the list format means you have to use a square bracket. So in the array concept, that is in C programming, the array concept may be of integer, variable name, the size of the value you have to give it. So here I have mentioned the size as 5. So I have to give the 5 values. But in the list concept, we didn't mention any data type, and also we didn't mention any size of the list concept. So here in the list format, we have to give A is equal to square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So like that only we are going to give the values of the list. So how we are going to access the list? So for accessing the list, we have to use an index. What does index mean? Index is, so in where it is going to locate, in which position it is going to locate. That is the value of index. So here the array index, the list index always starts from 0. So here I can tell that 10 value is stored in 0 position, 20 is stored in first position, 30 is stored in second position, 40 is stored in third position, 50 is stored in fourth position. Like this only going to change. So is there any features we can add the element or remove the element? Yes, it is possible in the list concept. How we are going to add the element means we can use the function called add. So here I need to specify where it is going to add. So maximum at early stages we have to give this position, but here we need to give the value of it. So all the value will be placed in the last of the index position. So for example, here the 10 is stored in bottom. So later it is 20, 30, 40, 50. So now I want to add the element of 16 means it is going to add after the 50. So the array index position will be of 5. Okay. So for accessing the array value of 60, we can use the index position. So we can use the index position as A of 5. Okay. For accessing the A of 5, we take the value of 60. So that is the main usage of array index. Okay. So in case if you want to find the length, how many values are present in the given variable means, we can use the function called length. So not exactly length, so we need to specify the function as len. So len bracket we need to specify the variable name. In which variable is going to have the values of an array. So here I am storing the values in the variable of A. So that's why I mentioned as a length of A. So here the result will produce how many elements are stored in the variable. So here there is a how we are going to add the items and how we are going to find the length of a list. Thank you.